Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix Ghost Touch on Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. This menu allows you to control all aspects of your device, including display, sound, and system updates. Step 2. Scroll down in the Settings menu and find Display. Tap on it to open display-related options. These settings directly affect how your screen responds to touch inputs. Step 3. Scroll down within the display settings. Turn accidental touch protection on. It helps prevent unintended touches when your phone is in your pocket or bag. Then locate touch sensitivity and turn it off. This reduces oversensitivity, which is a common cause of ghost touch issues. Step 4. After making these changes, restart your device. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons together. Select Restart and Confirm. Restarting applies the new settings and clears minor glitches. Step 5. If the issue persists, it may be software related. Go to Settings, scroll and tap on Software Update. Tap Download and Install and wait while your phone checks for updates. Updating can fix bugs that cause touch problems. Step 6. If your phone is up to date but Ghost Touch continues, it could be hardware related. In this case, visit a Samsung support center for professional diagnosis and repair. Following these steps carefully can help resolve Ghost Touch issues and improve your phone's performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.